guys, it's me, Man, and I got a squishy package. Woohoo! And it was really expensive. I paid a lot of money, and it got a little ripped. I could show you. This lighting's really bad, but this is my squishy package, and yeah. So first, here's my thing. This is my prices. It says it's an iBoom check for $490 and Rulakuma yarn ball for $200, and this was my total. And at the back it says no refunds. No refunds. And I think there should be really good extras because I paid $690 just for 2 squishies. Like, that's really expensive. And yeah, and I bought it from the seller called I Will Kill You. I don't know, but that's the seller. And the prices for one little thing this big is $150. Like, what? But whatever. Just, and I guess these are my extras. Some bundles. So that's exciting. So let's get started. I'm gonna close my eyes. What the heck? Is this my iBoom chick? It's not even a squishy. This is like a dough stress ball thing. What the heck? I'm really pissed off right now because I paid a lot of money. Let's check my list actually. And it says no refunds, so we can't even return them. So I had to pay $490 for this. This is what I end up getting. Sloppy dough thing. Okay, well, it's kind of cool and all, but like, I paid a lot of money. And the last thing is my yarn ball. They literally gave me a yarn ball. Oh my gosh. A yarn ball? Okay, let's check it. It's hard as a rock. It's a yarn ball. This is meant for like kitties and grandmas. Like, what the heck? I had to pay $200 for this stupid thing. This? The heck is this? A yarn ball? Like, I paid $690 and this is what I get. The extras are bundled. Wow, I wasted so much money. Guys, never buy from I'mGonnaKillYou.com. Sucks. And but the good thing is I shipped it I ordered it 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, it just came on my door. But that's cool and all. And the bad thing is no refunds. Worst thing ever. Okay, well, bye guys. I'm really pissed off now. Bye.